Do you want to lose your weight naturally? Then your actions are your answer. Friends, I still remember those days when I heard about a medicine which can help you to reduce your fat or which can reduce your belly fat. But believe me, I tried many times fat losing like the green tea extract, like the green coffee extract, and many other fat burner in my life, but nothing will work until and unless you don't have the knowledge about the fitness and how to reduce your fat. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their weight. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi ji has said that watch what you are eating. Friends, it's everything about the lifestyle and how and what are your perspective about fitness. Many people I have seen that they do not like to go for the exercise, or at times they do have in mind that they need to do the workouts, but usually they do not do. And it's a very common thing between you and me, especially in winter, that the waking up early in the morning is not easy. But for those people who are fit not only from their body but they are also fit from their mind, that's why we need to control our mind first thing in the morning. So if you're going to start your day with the 5 or 10 minutes of meditation, it will help you out to achieve your fitness, or it will also make further better your day. Friends, in this video I'll give you the 3 key points where you can work and you can adapt the 3 principles so that you can have a good fitness in your life. The number one thing which you need to adapt, that includes some lean sources of protein. If you are vegetarian, include tofu or seitan, or if you are non-vegetarian, then include the white egg and the chicken breast. These are some of the good options available in India, and you can get them from online or from local market if you are in metro city. Try to include around 40 to 50 gram of these things in your food so that you can have a good balanced diet. The second thing which you need to include the whole food. Include the whole grains like the whole wheat flour, whole wheat pasta, basmati rice, a potato. These all are the good options of the carbohydrate or the whole food. The third key point is to avoid the sugary food or the junk food. They both act as a little bomb in our body. Our body absorbs them very fast. That's why our insulin level raises really high. But once the insulin is on higher peak, on that time our body does not have the idea that now the body has to start absorbing the fats also, because insulin is stopping it. So that's why try to avoid junk food and sugary food. They are equal to the poison and they are equal to the drugs. And these are some of the 3 things if you're going to adapt in your life. These are the very common things, but there is a way, there is a journey. Many people do not believe that the consuming of food or consuming alcohol, drugs can be common for some people. If you see a person who is drug addict, whenever he put the drug into his body, on that time he says, wow. And whenever you must have seen a person, or even in the marketing ads also, if they are consuming any sugary food, they say, wow. So that's why our mind takes pleasure out of it, and that's why it impacts our body. So that's why it is a journey. If for the next day, if I tell you that you need to adapt a clean diet or good diet, maybe you don't have the ideas of how to prepare them in the kitchen. Maybe you don't want to be accountable. Maybe you don't have the knowledge that how much you need to eat and for how much time you need to eat. Maybe you don't have the idea that how to adjust your favorite food into your diet. That's why, friends, I have created many programs in which I guide to people that how they can adapt the fit lifestyle into their life forever, and they can become the fit. And here I'm talking about that losing their fat not in the months but in the days. So if I connect with you in any of the point, then feel free to message me or connect me. Or even I have created a group also, so that you will get the future updates from my side regarding your fitness. Friend, this is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.